spoon almost match my outfit, man. Yo, why you deal with your spoon like that? It help your teeth in? Hmm? Help your teeth in? Yeah. Mama teeth. I forgot to give your teeth up. You need your teeth up, man. Mm-hmm. What is up, man? Your boy Danny British, me I tell you, say boy. I man jump. Oh, me think I'm a blood clot when she crack, you know. I man jumping on my blood clot truck this morning. And the engine nah lift. You see what I'm saying? And this not make no sense because this is a brand new truck. You see what I'm saying? I don't understand this. When I put my foot on brake and I push to start engine, they say they'll be chuck dead. My bumper ass clot. I never seen nothing like this. My chuck dead. Window can't wind down. It cannot turn on. I forgot to put a battery charger. The bird them won't give me a chance, ja. Why the bird them so wicked to me, man? Could I? And it's not like me chuck no clean, you know. My blood clot, the bird them won't give it done a chance. Blood clot, that's how the BMI chuck dirty. Big V8 Hemi, yeah, and a small engine thing, you know. Yeah, I can't do the small engine thing at all. I have to move swifter than the apps. Swifter than the cops. I have to move swifter than the pedestrian and the civilian. So for those of you who have never seen one before, this is a battery charger. This is one. Basically, set it to trickle charge. You get me? Regular battery type. Hold on, I'm gonna change it. To the battery, this is the battery. See me? That's the positive. That's the negative. You know the difference because these have a red indicating danger, indicating current, indicating positive. And this have a not so danger, indicating ground, indicating negative. You know what I mean? So we're going to connect the negative connector to the negative adapter and vice versa. You see me? It's like you went off-roading in this thing.
When I went off the side of the...
Scott, battery charger couldn't lift this. I have to go jump it. I think the battery charger had some issues. Yeah, voltage I run now 14.5. Well, say hi, pretty. She's like, oh my god, that light's so bright. The problem now with my truck is I don't drive it really. You know what I mean? I have two vehicles, but I don't. Because remember, you know, I am 100% remote. You know what I mean? So it's not like I do half day in the office, 2 day, 1 day. So I don't commute unless I have moves to make. When I have moves to make, I just make my wife drive me to whatever destination I have to go to. So right now I just go and carry that truck, go left it with my soldier them. Let them go and drive it till I ready feet back round. Oh, we don't know January. Not gonna need it for February. Not gonna need it for April. March again before I need to drive that truck. So I just gonna leave it up there. Leave it with my soldier them. You see what I'm saying? First me need to see them and them for Martin Luther King Day. Today, you know, Martin Luther King fight for it. Thank you, Mr. King. Thank you. Thank all of the blood clad heroes them who fight for us minorities, us black people. Yeah, because them see the value in a way. Even what we not see in ourselves sometimes, you know what I mean? And sometimes other people see your value and you don't see it, you know. Yeah man, talk about it. Cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're having a whole conversation. Look there, yeah. Yeah, you have your teddy bear. Span it down. Yeah. Yeah. Whole conversation. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mommy ready like a raw smile. Smile with the camera.
I did smile. Sun smiles.
Yeah. Good talk no man. I agree. Me smoke a marijuana. Last time I check it talk cheap. Them cheap. Last time I check it still a do it Range Rover Jeep. Last time I check it big dodging at the streets. Yeah. Them a laughter. Now we think them left me out. Now them a laughter. Shout out to my daughter. Tell me something.
My heart well clean. All me dogs them clean. All me girls them clean. All me clothes them clean. Everything of it clean. Na 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 na. Everything of it clean. Na 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 na. My heart well clean. All me dogs them clean. All me girls them clean. All me clothes them clean. Everything of it clean. Na 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 na. Everything of it clean. Na 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 na. Bad mind don't run in. Well fresh clean like spring magazine. Floss na the club with the ballers not cheap.
Wow. Look how big this rascal is. Humble clad, the cow bigger than me chop to pussy clad. Nobody but me down. Bumbo clad, look on him toe. Yo, look at that toe this. Your foot look like it's sick, man. Swear bitch that I love for real. But okay, I could have put it.
Wow.
Oh no! In action! Really? Really, you're going to make me drive in at this? You should be ashamed of yourself. You know how same song, but that's it.
She asleep?
Fast asleep. And a British boy, I'm there. Man. No longer in a touch up yourself. Get, you know how much things they build up yourself. You know how big up yourself. Chuck rim them, you know. Blood clot. And see, them tires are still good, you know. But at the rear tire them, I get stuck and rub them down and try to come out. See it there? Blood clot. So I gotta change it. $1,000 that, you know. Hey mommy, what's up? What happened round face? What happened? Oh, we got yourself. See another prize, yeah. God, God, one of my biggest. One of my prize, them, you know, man. Prize. Yeah. How I night now? Just want to wash out the tank. Yeah, I think I want to wash out and clean. See that I probably all sort of fertilizer or something like that too. I'm using water plant. Yeah, this is 550 gallon tank. So I always make sure I say water there on the property. You see me? Light a blood class in a fire. Light that a fire, you know, and you know, burning. Look. Woo. May the gods bless you. May the gods bless you. May the gods bless you. Hey, girl.
Come here, Beans.
Hey, daddy baby. Oh my God, daddy baby.
Beans. Come here, Beans.
Beautiful day, man.
Good girl. Come here, Beans. Come here. Look at how big you are now. Come here, Beans.
Hey, girl. What you looking at? Daddy shoes. Nice, like a burnout to get. The fire still in the run, man. Fire still in the run. Crazy, man. We go in and out burger on the line too long enough. And I say, man, fuck in and out line. Go somewhere else. And now we can run up in this everlasting train. Yo! Life, man. Man. The train not done. The train not done. On our trip, I said I have to stop. Rascal, eh? You say you shouldn't even want to hear it right now. You don't even want to hear it right now, no. John, no. Yeah. Drive to town, go on. That's right, girl. Go pick up your best friend, Becky.
Got an 80 on me, pressure buzz pocket, pressure